Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special video because this is my very first collab video with one of my talented YouTube friends. Yay! I'm quite nervous but excited at the same time. And in this video, I will do my first collaborations with talented young artist, Nicole. She is from Philippines. She also paints a lot in her channel and I really love her works. So go check her YouTube channels and I will put any details on the description box. Well, as you see, today we will paint together with the themes is what is your favorite puppy? And today, me and Cheska will paint our favorite puppy with any media. So let's get started. Okay, so first I will draw the outline first. I used a watercolor pencil for this, and I will not telling you what kind of puppy that I will paint today because it will be a surprise, and you will know once I finish the outline. Well, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this collaboration video. I have seen many YouTubers doing a collaboration in their videos, and finally I've got a chance to do a collaboration. So thank you so much, Jessica, for doing a collaboration with me. Well, I met Jessica on YouTube. We found each other channels and we started to become a friend on YouTube and also Instagram. This is very exciting because actually YouTube can make you meet a lot of new friends with the same interest with you, and you can make a new friend from different countries. So actually YouTube helps you to grow your network, and this is so cool. And I really love to have a new friend from different countries because I can learn new things from them, and it's really exciting. Okay, move on to the painting session. As you can see, I think you guys already know what kind of puppy that I paint today. Well, it is a Shiba. I really love Shiba because I think they are so cute and fluffy at the same time. So, and for today's painting, I used Gouache as the media, and I got the inspirations from Pinterest. I just see a lot of cute Shiba photos and then I started to paint that one. Okay, so what do you think about the Shiba painting? What kind of puppy do you like actually? You can drop your comments below. And well, I will put more details to make this Shiba looks more fluffy. Okay, so now I start to add sakura flowers or cherry blossom flowers because Shiba puppy is from Japan, so I will make a Japanese vibes in this painting. So I will put any sakura or cherry blossoms around this cute Shiba. Well, I think it's done. It's now the tape peeling session. Yay! What do you think about my zebra painting? I hope you like it, and thank you for watching. And also please do a visit to my YouTube friends channels, Jessica Nicole, because she also paint her favorite puppy. And wow, see you guys.